Hello viewer, GCash PayPal cash-in not working. PayPal will be right back. Our partner is working to restore the service as soon as possible. Let's see how to fix this. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to Apps. Now search GCash. Go to GCash. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. Now clear cache data from GCash app. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store. Search GCash app. From here, update your GCash app. It may be a temporary service disruption with the PayPal cash-in feature. If the problem persists, please contact with GCash Help Center or wait few hours to fix the service disruption.